Cheese.
Are you saying cheese?
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Hey, did you just go out to dinner?
Yeah.
What did you eat?
French fries and chicken nuggets. I don't like it.
You didn't like it?
Yeah.
Well, you sure ate a lot of it for not liking it. Did you have chocolate cake too?
Yeah.
Is there still some on your little face?
It's dead green enough.
Daddy cleaned it off?
Yeah.
Come here and show me your tattoos, cutie pie. Tell me what you've got.
I got four and a kitty cat and a doggy. The doggy broke.
Yeah, the doggy broke a little bit. Can you say, go Gators?
Go Gators.
And show me your little outfit. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hi to Nana and Papa?
Hi, Nana, Papa.
And can you say hi to Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Okay, say
I don't like grass.
okay, say good night.
Good night.
Bye.